For 15 years, the 4Runner was the only vehicle you could buy, drive for 100,000 miles, and sell for what you paid. But in 2026, the Toyota tax is officially breaking. Toyota just released the most high-tech 4Runner in history, but owners are already trading them back in. From noisy vibrations in the new iForce MAX to a massive price jump that's making the old V6 look like a bargain, the 6th-generation 4Runner a leap forward? Or is it the first time Toyota has over-engineered their most loyal fan base into a corner? Today, we're looking at the data Toyota doesn't want you to see. Let's look at the numbers. The new iForce MAX delivers 326 horsepower and a massive 465 pound-feet of torque. That's more grunt than a V8 Land Cruiser 100 series. On paper, it's a monster. But here's the problem. Early owner reports from late 2025 and early 2026 are flagging gravelly engine notes and cabin vibrations that the old V6 never had. Purists are calling it unrefined, and for a $60,000 SUV, that's a hard pill to swallow. People are wrong just buying these for the trail they're buying them to last 20 years. Can a high-strung, turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid really do that? If you're looking at the top trims, the choice is now a battlefield. You have the TRD Pro for high-speed desert runs, and the all-new Trailhunter for slow-speed overlanding. The Trailhunter is Toyota's factory-built answer to the aftermarket. It comes with two 5-inch Old Man Emu forged shocks, a high-mount snorkel, and an onboard air compressor. But here is the open loop you need to consider. The Trailhunter costs nearly $4,000 more than the TRD Pro. You're paying for convenience, but is that gear better than what you could build yourself for half the price? In a market where 2025 carryover stock is now being discounted by up $4,000, the wait-and-see approach is suddenly saving people thousands. Here is the secret the dealers don't want you to know. For the first time in a decade, 4Runner supply is catching up to demand. We're seeing price increase without updates for the 2026 model years. Nearly $1,000 jump for the exact same truck as the 2025. Savvy buyers are now hunting for lightly used 2025 units. Why pay $67,000 for a 2026 TRD Pro when a 2025 with $5,000 in miles is sitting on a lot $58,000 in dollars? The depreciation resistance that made the 4Runner a safe investment is finally showing cracks. If you buy today, you might be catching a falling knife. The 2026 4Runner is the most capable, powerful, and tech-heavy version ever built. But it's also the most expensive and the most unproven. If you need the torque for towing or high-altitude climbing, the hybrid is a dream. But if you're looking for that 300,000-mile peace of mind, the 5th-gen V6 is looking better every single day. So would you trust the turbo hybrid in the middle of the Moab Desert? Let me know in the comments. I respond to every technical question. And if you think the 4Runner is a risk, wait until you see what Toyota just leaked about the 2027 Land Cruiser FJ Mini. It's smaller, cheaper, and might just be the 4Runner killer we didn't see coming. Click here to watch that leak breakdown next.